Excuse me. Hi, do you speak English? A little. My name is Samuel. I'm a photographer. I take photos of people for free. You look very beautiful. So I just wanted to ask if you want a quick photo. It's completely free.
I go to my job.
Okay, it'll be like 20 seconds. Okay, what's your name?
Julie.
Judy, I'm Sam. Nice to meet you. So Judy, do you have a favorite profile? This one? Perfect, perfect. So let's step over here. Perfect. So can you stand like this? Yes. And can I get a serious face? Perfect. Very nice. Can I get a pose like this? Wow. Actually, can we turn around? Like this? Oh, this is much better. Yes. Look over here. I have a question for you. What makes you happy in life? Family. Yes. Well, family is very important. Yes. So I just want to take one more. Can you step over here? Because I really like your outfit. Okay. So can you stand like this? Yes. Perfect. Perfect.
Where do you make this photo?
Well, I will show you. So it's this. Wow. Very serious. Very nice. What do you think?
It's good.
Yeah?
Yes.
Can I
thank
send
you.
them to you?
Yes.